Hey everybody! School may have started, but summer is still here. So dive right in and watch some s'more videos.
Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious salted caramel chocolate chip s'more. Of course it needs chocolate chips. I try and use mini chocolate chips just because it's what we have in the house and I get to put more chocolate chips on there, which is absolutely exciting and thrilling. Yeah, it's pretty good. Then I take a little bit of salt, just a pinch, put it on there. Then I will top it with the marshmallow. And then I'm going to put it here in our toaster oven, 350 degrees for about 2 minutes. There we go. And then while that is going, I will take some syrup and I'm going to stick it here on a graham cracker. I like nice even coverage. So we take our graham cracker and we'll just slide and smear the caramel around. It can get a little messy. You can also find out that you don't have enough caramel. Oh. We're going to get a little bit more salt on there. My husband tells me I never put enough salt on anything. So whenever I think I'm done, go for a little bit more, then a hair more. And normally he'll add more salt. Here you go. Step 1. Look at this. This guy is ready to come out. Super yummy. We're going to take our salted caramel cracker, put it right on top. Absolutely delicious salted caramel chocolate chip s'more. Doesn't get any better than that. Yum.
Hey Zionsville community, I'm Shelby Couch and I'm one of the Teen and Adult Services Librarians, and we are doing a s'mores program in honor of National S'mores Day this month. So I'm going to show you a couple of really fun s'mores recipes. We're going to do frozen s'mores and a s'mores parfait.
Thank you, Librarian Susan, for finding the frozen s'more recipe. Hey guys, it's Lydia, and we're gonna make smochi, a mochi s'more. And mochi is just a glutinous rice cake with, usually with a filling. And the fillings I have today are taro and red bean. Do not microwave for 30 seconds because you'll get this hilarious disaster. It's still delicious though. Delicious. We hope you all enjoy your s'mores.